So after years of driving gas cars, I finally made a decision. I'm gonna get a Tesla. I'm gonna get a Tesla Model Y. See this car back here? It's treated me well, but it's time to go. Listen, so there's a few reasons why I'm getting a Tesla. And there's one reason why I almost didn't do it. Stick around to find out why. So reason number one of the obvious reasons that everybody talks about, gas savings, right? So I average between two cars roughly, I'd say anywhere between $200 to $300 a month spending on gas, right? You cut that in half, maybe $150 a month on one car. Well, I have a V6. I have a 2012 Acura TL, and it's a V6. And sometimes it can cost me anywhere between $150 to $200 a month, depending on how much driving I do. The good thing is I work from home. Had I not worked from home, it'd be terrible. But that's one of the obvious reasons why I'm switching over to Tesla. It's gas, and I'm tired of it. I'm so sick and tired of it. And I know some of you guys have made the switch over to Tesla. I know some of you guys are contemplating and thinking about doing it. I'm so done with gas. I'm so done with sitting at gas pumps and just seeing the gas prices rise and rise and rise. Moving forward, there's a lot of uncertainty in this world and in this country. And so it's like, you know what? I'd rather just stick a charger in it and be done with it. So that's one of the obvious reasons why I'm switching over to Tesla. Reason number two is the technology in the Tesla cars. It's literally driving a computer on wheels. I mean, it just gets smarter and smarter and better. And it's just gonna keep getting more advanced and better. And so I'm a techie. The fact that I can sit in a car, put my seatbelt on, hit a button, and have the thing drive me where I need to go, man, that's not lazy. I think it's efficient. What do you think? I don't know. And you get a massive center screen. The constant updates that you get in the car are unbelievable. And so overall, the technology, the updates, is something that you don't see in a traditional car. So kudos to Tesla, and kudos to EVs even. So that's reason number two why I'm making a switch over to Tesla. So reason number three, and probably the reason why I'm switching over to Tesla, is the complete driving experience. I talked about FSD a couple reasons ago. The overall driving experience is unbelievable. I've driven in them. I've been a passenger in them. I've let the thing drive me. I mean, just the thought of the entire experience owning a Tesla is mind-blowing to me. The one foot pedal, the quiet ride, the technology package that you get. It's a luxury car and driven by a computer, if that makes sense. And it's unbelievable to me. So that's reason number three why I'm making a switch over to Tesla. However, there's I'd say two reasons why I almost decided not to do it. One of the other obvious reasons is the price. It's pretty pricey. However, when I sat down, counted the cost, and saw everything that it would do for my family and I, and the benefit that we would get from it, it was a no-brainer to me. So one of the concerns I had was cost. The other was just the idea of, how am I going to charge it? When am I going to charge it? What if I'm stranded? What if this? What if that? All the questions come with just natural EV charging. But that wasn't enough to stop me from getting a Tesla and deciding to get a Tesla. So with that said, I have finally decided to order my Tesla Model Y. Not fully ready yet because I don't know which package I want, what accessories I want, what color I want, and all that stuff. But in the next couple weeks, Stay tuned, follow along this journey, and I'll walk you through the whole ordering process that I'm going to do on my phone, which is phenomenal to even think about, that you can buy a phone or a car on your phone. So I'll walk you guys through that process, and then I'll even walk you through everything in between, and we'll show the big reveal on delivery day. So follow along, stay tuned, follow this journey. I think it's going to be incredible. If you're thinking about getting an EV, follow along. If you have one, I'd love to connect with you. So follow along, hit the like button, subscribe, share this video, and welcome to Tesla Point of View.